Class 8. Today we will start our third chapter, synthetic fibers and plastics. As you all know that we are surrounded by a number of materials around us, including plastics. Plastics have become an essential material in human life. Just look around you and you will see a many number of substances made up of plastics. Other than plastics, we have various kinds of fibers around us. We have clothes, which are made up of natural as well as synthetic material. Clothes selection is usually done on the basis of different seasons and different occasions. We prefer to wear cotton clothes in summer and woolen clothes in winter. Plastics have different items made out of it. Do you know our country has banned plastics? In this chapter, we will be discussing about introduction of fibers, kind of synthetic fibers, rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, plastic, its types, its advantages and disadvantages. Actually, there are different materials in our surroundings that we use for different purposes. For example, we use clothes, chairs, tables. Chairs are used to sit, tables to place something. Chairs and table are usually made out of wooden material or some metallic material. Clothes are again made up of either cotton, wool, silk or rayon, nylon, etc. Clothes, chairs, tables and many more materials are present in our homes. All substances actually have their own resources. Resources means the origin, the source from which they are obtained. Some of these resources are natural and some are synthetic. Natural resources for clothes may be cotton, and for synthetic, actually these resources are man-made and artificial in nature. All clothing material called fabric is woven out of fibers. Do you remember you have learned chapter 3 in your class 7, fibers to fabric, in which you were told how silk is obtained from silkworm and then this silk is converted into fabric, how wool is obtained from sheep and goats and then converted into fabric. Bed sheets, curtains, suits, shirts, we have different clothing material used to make this. fibers are actually used as per their qualities. Like cotton fiber is arable and absorbs sweat, so it is usually preferred to be worn in summer season. These fabrics are derived from fibers, and fibers are actually thread-like structures. On the basis of origin of the fibers, it can be classified into natural fibers and synthetic fibers.